stay in line. Stay in line. Move with me and stay in line.
Brake compartment. And a general reminder is for
Right, guys,
use
now we are
electronic
inside
cigarettes
the
not
plane
allowed in the
to Lombok.
aircraft. And ladies and gentlemen, as a
for
precaution against
excursions
for a brake compartment,
to
please keep
Rinjani.
your eyes on your belongings.
Eyes have closed while the stars all shine. Fade away, but we stay in line. Eyes have closed while the stars all shine. Fade away.
Alright guys, we are successful landing at Lombok International Airport, and we are also ahead of time, so it's very good. We are grateful we are able to landing in Lombok. We are going to have our most probably is the breakfast. Okay, breakfast first day.
We stay in line.
Now we already reaching the Rinjani trekking center. Okay, what we are here is the first day we have to go to the waterfall. Alright, waterfall we need to wear this. Alright, because we need to cross certain stream to get to the waterfall. The boots most probably tomorrow we can't wear anymore, so today we are going to for excursion and enjoy the sceneries and how beautiful the waterfall in Rinjani. According to this guide, okay, they are double A here. Okay, Asmani, right?
No. Adi2 right here.
Adi2, another one. Asmadi, yeah, Asmadi.
Adi1, Adi2, Adidas.
Adi1, yeah, Adidas.
Adi1. Adi1, Adi2, Adidas.
No. Look like we already reaching the second and one of the highest over here, the waterfall. So magnificent. You can see how tall the waterfall in front of me, and I show you now. Whoa! Alright guys, so now we are heading to the waterfall number 1. Just now we crossed over, but we never stopped. So I did done the second one and really beautiful. So now I'm alone. The rest of my group is already ahead in front. Right? So just slowly walk back. And this trail actually is very easy to track. It's just one way. There's no splitting. So it's quite safe, even you are walking alone in this track.
Yeah, all the post 3.
Post
2. Yeah.
You never read my message. Yeah.
I know. Not going.
See, good deal, right?
I will manage the time. If they take long at post 2, still early.
Can I take the motorbike all the way up and then come down?
So let's say after lunch we continue going to the post 4 around 1 hour.
Post 4.
Post 4.
1 hour.
thought the room you got water heater, right? I don't see it. I don't see the.
Alright, good morning, good morning. Okay, now we are Sembalun, and today is have a good test for our endurance and stamina to climb up to the Mount Rinjani. This is what I've been packed since yesterday, and this is a vacuum pack for the our porter up here. I think less than 5 kg, and this one now I'm going to wait how much this I'm going to carry out all the way to Rinjani. Let's go and test. Oh God, 7.55 kg. This all I have to go up, and my porter only take around less than 5 kg. Alright, so total up is about almost like 12 kg up to the Mount Rinjani. Okay, now let's go and carbo load in the morning before we go for our check. Good morning, good morning. Right now I'm at the cafe, so having our breakfast before we departure to the medical check, and what the process we need to do, and before we enter the Sembalun, where we start our expeditions to the one of the mysteries, Mount Rinjani. Alright, so what you do, and you see at the back of me, and at this hotel that we stay, there's a Mount Rinjani. It looked very near, but it will be very, very far and very tough. I can't imagine. I have been putting on my backpack about 7 kilos. Okay, this is a test for me, and see how far I can climb. Whether I succeed or not, you must watch until the end of this video.
I feel wonderful because
Alright guys, now we are leaving Rudy Villa and heading to the checking our this health. Okay, just not far from here. Okay, Chai, going on first. So don't forget to take a key. The key, just leave it. Okay, so beautiful. We up. Okay guys, let's go.
see the love light in your eyes and the wonder of it all.
My name is Ripa.
Mas Ripa.
What is your name?
Ni Jane. Ben.
Chai.
Frost.
Of course me, Larry. And all the guy and the porter. Yay! Oh, my spectacle. Sudah hancur. Ya. Hancur, kan? Oh, hancur. Hancur. Aduh. Nak ngapa? Okey. Ini bukan nasib saya ya. Okey. Sudah hancur.
What's your cap and your bra?
My size just nice.
Cannot how the kid size.
This is a moss.
Even the running
Hey, but coming to the center, right? You're going back to the center, right? Hello.
What's your name? Singapore.
Yeah, Singapore.
Can check your blood pressure left.
Okay.
Do you have medical history, sir?
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada. Sakit jantung, darah tinggi? Tak ada. 130. Oke. Oke. Mantap. Mantap. Jalan.
Oke. Bisa.
Ini lanjut yang tadi Pak ya?
Yang tadi
Nih. Masih Pak? Masih Pak?
Okay, sudah selesai semua. It take about 30 minutes. A lot of people today. We are going to get a Gojek, okay? Go up to the post 2, all the way. Okay, so we cut down all this unnecessary timing, so we can have ample more time for us to plan ahead. Alright. Alright guys, now we are at Rinjani, okay, kandang sapi. So this is a point that we are going up to the Rinjani. You can see, yeah. So we are going Gojek. We take Gojek, okay, because we now time is already quite long already. We are waiting, so it's the best to take a Gojek. That's my opinion. If you're fine, you want to walk up, this is your preference. So most probably, yeah. Ada.
Okay, so today we hike Mount Rinjani 4 days, 3 nights. Start Sembalun, finish Sorean. Okay.
Okay, mantap. Ayo. Guys, you are ready. Mana satu? Mana satu pun bisa. Depan. Go a bit slow ah.
Okay.
Jangan terlalu.
Bawa kosong. Baik.
Besar. Okay ah.
So don't forget to wait for us at post 2 and then we will come soon.
Okay. Alright guys, now we are at post 1 if we find. And Bapak ya?
Yeah.
Oh, post 1.
Yeah.
Very far away. That one.
Yeah.
Okay. So, it's sapi ya?
Ya, tapi
Oh. Bapak, nama apa?
sama Bapak Ezi.
Bapak Ezi?
Ya.
Wah, ini mantap nih. Ini ya. Oh, naik turun. Nampak ada yang curam. Wow, mantap ini. Kasih salut sama dia. Alright, kita jalan.
Ini. Oh, syuting teman yang jalan nih.
Ini.
Ini kan teman mau jalan, mau syuting.
Oh. Mana? Di atas tu ah? Oh, sana. Pos tu. Tu lagi. Mantap. we are at post 2. Okay, Pak. Let's see. Let's see.
Ya, sama-sama.
Wow, post 2 the other side. Yeah, post side. So we have to walk down from here this side. Yeah.
I thought the top one to send us further up.
Oh no, huh? No. Only post 2.
Because we have to back, right?
So we have to wait for them at the post 2.
No,
Okay.
what happened was yesterday he said that if he's taking back right, he'll go further out.
No, like 2 only. Alright guys, now we are at post 2 already. You can see a lot of people hiking on the top. So the project only can go until this stage. Okay, so let's go. Mantap Pak. Wow. Ini sapi special ya. Sebab kakinya ada hitam putih. Tak mau, mau ambil gambar dulu ya. Oh jalan ya, tengok. Alright guys, now we are at the post 2. Start moving to post 3. Okay, mantap. Dari mana ya? Lambung. Oh. Berapa hari? Sama juga. 3 hari. 4 hari, 3 malam. Okay. 2 hari. 3 hari, 2 malam. Okay. Alright guys, now we are going to post 3. It take about 1 hour. Whew. Okay. Coming down? Up to you. Foto. Okay, AC hole. The grip is good. The grip is good. Go, go, go.
On est arrivé en haut, autant on est arrivé là.
Right.
Good luck, guys.
Good guys. Okay.
Il a blessé.
No. Hello. Hello. Wow, coming down already.
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Alright guys, now we're having our lunch. What's the top?
Our first lunch.
Yes. That's our first lunch. Yes. See, they got the beautiful table. Oh, got sound.
No, we're having our picnic now.
Now we're having picnic, okay? Alright guys, there are more to come. Okay, this just refill. Okay, refill your energy, relax, take a deep breath, and we continue.
Sharing 比你贵，有时候是 single 的。
Everything here is 包个料. Okay, 包个料, 包 from drink they have, you see. Yeah. So I really salute all these porter who bring up the food for us and prepare the food. Okay, and the camp also. So later we will see on the top there. Right. So now we are having our short rest for our lunch. Kopi berapa kopi ya? Dua. Nah, 两个。别放，别放。哦，这个有糖。Dua ginger ya. Mas, boleh tambah satu lagi ginger ya?
Ginger satu.
Satu lagi. Dua. Ya.
Ginger dua.
Sambal, good. Wow, this is damn sure.
Yeah, 很骨头的一个死鱼。
Wow, the keropok very crunchy
没有捞风啊。
是啊。
那是对。
Yeah, I bring.
I always need.
I have some, but
I bring up. Enjoy, eh?
Mantap. Alright guys, now we are at the post 3. Okay, so just now having the lunch just below a little bit. Okay. Be careful. Jen.
Okay.
Hello. Chào đón xong chị cô rồi. Đi hào.
好，加油！
加油加油
加油！
慢慢来。
慢慢来啊！
Chị cô đi pa. Đi toàn thằng chị cô. Mình đang lo con, itu kan chị cô cho nên mình.
Kasi tamu kan.
Guys, you see all this water? You go all the way up. How tough it, especially the
No sleeper also ah.
no slipper. See, no slipper. Oh, no slipper. Jayo, jayo. Yes. Hey guys, pause 4.
Pause 4.
Yes, we're at the pause 4.
Yay!
Alright.
Yay!
Oh. Wow. See. Ooh. Wow. Oh. My God. Semara Siu, Post 4, disaster. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Yes.
Very good work, huh?
One stop. Okay guys, we take 5 here. Okay, behind at the back. So the rest of the team are resting here. What shelter? Ledang panas.
Ledang panas.
Yeah, ledang panas.
Hour more normally, yeah.
Yeah.
Hour more to the campsite. Okay, we stop for the rest.
Okay. Mantap. Gami. Ini bagus nih.
Okay, thank you.
Dalam kencing. Okay guys, we have a short break here from this Bukit Penyesalan or Gunung Penyesalan, saya tidak tahu. Tapi menyesal sungguh. Tapi apa boleh? Ya, mau turun susah, mau naik pun susah. So, jangan menyesal atau disesalkan. Oh guys, this one is called Lendang Panas.
Lendang panas.
Lendang panas. You see what is I mean by lendang panas, brother?
Lendang panas means without any trace.
Without any trace. Wow, until on top there.
Wow,
Yeah.
so difficult.
So difficult.
Which one is
But
difficult?
difficult, but not impossible.
Yes.
Yes.
Setuju.
Which one is difficult?
No mine.
No. How to get her?
Oh, easy. Yeah. Yeah. Rinjani never easy. Yes, I know. Mental misprepare.
But if we compare with Senaru route, Dorian route, and Sembalun route, so this is Sembalun route is much better.
Much better. More easy.
Not easy.
Huh?
No.
Not easy. Much better.
Yeah, but much better.
Okay.
If you compare with Dorian and Senaru.
Guys,
Okay.
see on my left hand side, there's a puncak Rinjani. Alright, puncak it means it's a summit.
Yeah.
So
So summit
Rinjani,
is the most
the most
hardest. The most difficult.
Welcome to the campsite 1. Yeah. Wow.
Campsite of Sembalun.
Campsite is off from Sembalun.
About 2,600 plus above sea level.
About 2.6k from the sea level. 3. This one 1. Sampai, tapi separuh jalan. So we have to go to the camp. I think most probably we will rest here. Alright, come. Wow, we are here already.
Yeah. Now we are on the campsite.
Campsite 1.
Campsite 1. Di mana?
Palanggawan.
Pelawangan 1.
Pelawangan 1.
Iya.
Oh, wow. Whoa. Hey.
Saw your reflection in the rain. It looked just as lost as you did.
Alright guys, now we are at the campsite 2, and probably this is not our camp. We have to go further up to the third one. Alright. Hello. Bagus. Apa? Oh good. Wow. Puncaknya di depan, just in front. Ya. So malam ni masa besok ya. Ya, dari mana? Dari Singapura. Oh, sikit. Okey lah. Mantap. Right. Okay guys. So we just walk straight up. Very nice. The sun is on my right hand side. So on my left, there's a summit on the peak. I don't know how many times in this video I did point out to the summit, but until now I haven't reached. Okay. We are now above the clouds, and slowly we move up to the Mount Rinjani. Alright guys, we are finally reaching our campsite 3. Alright, campsite 3, I think most probably here is very look near to the summit. Okay. This one is all our. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, wow. Hello. Wah, udah sampai ya semua. Wah. Wah. Okay. Come and have a look.
Yay, our first night here. We made it, first night camping.
Yes. Alright. So today I'm going to stay one day here. Where's the porter bringing up? Okay. Really, guys, it's not easy. Not really easy. And you can see, so tonight most probably I will open up, and if it's really cold, I will zip this one up. Okay, so now all the porter will be up here. We prepare for our dinner. So now 4:44 p.m. So just relax for a while. So stay tuned. See you later. Alright guys, we're on the settle. Okay. So this is how luxury is when you come with a good tao you, okay? Good porter and a good company. So everybody are able to reach the same destination with almost the same pace. That's what we want. Alright, so day 2, sorry. There's a lot of memory and experience when go up to this Rinjani. Rinjani. Sorry, also cannot speak properly already. Okay, CO2 maybe a bit like that. Sorry me Okay, so what we do is tonight is just to enjoy the sunset, okay, and enjoy our food and our friends. So I need to dismantle everything. So it looks good, right? Very spacious. Thanks to all the porters and the guide to build this beautiful tank. Okay, for us, not me only, and a very good location. Just a campsite tree. Okay, I don't want to delay anything. I need to get everything for tonight and prepare everything. And tomorrow is the day we conquered Mount Rinjani. Alright, stay tuned. Right, good evening. Now it's already almost 7:41 p.m. and totally dark at the Rinjani mountain. So we are at the campsite 3. So tomorrow we have to wake up about 12:30 a.m. breakfast, and 1:30 a.m. we will move up to the summit. So I need to prepare everything for tomorrow. 12:30 a.m. wake up, put on everything, and go to attack the summit. So until now only I can tell you whether I succeed or not. It depends on my mind, my heart, and my courage. So see you tomorrow morning. Bye.